Welcome to my channel. I'm Cheyenne. I am finally starting this YouTube channel, which I've been wanting to start for years. I've just recently decided I'm gonna do it. For my first video, I thought I'd just tell you a bit about myself if you don't know me. I am 18. I live in Perth, Western Australia, and I'm 26 weeks pregnant. So I posted it on my Instagram for you guys to ask me some questions about myself, and obviously I know a lot of them would be about the pregnancy, so I'm going to be answering them for you. First question, what is your ethnicity? So a lot of these questions are from my friends, obviously, who already know me, or people in Perth who know me. So I might need to explain it a bit more for people who don't know me at all. My ethnicity, I don't know if I'm saying that right. My dad is Torres Strait Islander, my mum is Australian Czechoslovakian. If you went with your man, what's your ideal type? Honestly, I do not have a type, but my man is perfect. He is my type. How many kids do you want to have? Either 3 or 5. You know, I do definitely want more than 1, but I will speak more on that after I have Malik for a year. Malik is my son. I've already named him. I named him when I was 10 weeks pregnant and that's been his name ever since, and that's definitely going to be his name. Next question, what's your star sign and what star signs do you like? I am a Taurus. I wouldn't say, you know, like the ones I've had better experience with. I have a lot of Virgos in my life, a lot of Cancers, and I love Pisces. I think Pisces is so sweet. But yeah, that's the main 3. And Scorpios, I love Scorpios. What is Malik's full name? Malik's full name is Malik Herzl King Anu. Backstory to that, Malik was chosen by Zach, his dad, and Herzl is Zach's dad's name. King is Zach's last name, and Anu is my last name. Next question, do you have a feeling you were pregnant? Explain the first few weeks and the symptoms. I knew I was pregnant. I definitely knew I was pregnant, and then I took a pregnancy test and it said I wasn't pregnant, and I knew I was. So I waited a week and then I took another one and I was. You just kind of have a feeling. My symptoms were sore boobs was the main one.
You're not even.
Actually, when I'm pregnant I get this thing, tinnitus. It's when you hear a heartbeat in your ear. So I was I know I'm pregnant. What is one of the hardest parts about being pregnant? And then another question was, what is the best part about being pregnant? The hardest part, it's not really hard anymore, but at the start I lost a lot of my friends, because obviously motherhood is a very different pathway to a lot of 18-year-old people at the moment. I had to lose a lot of friends because, you know, we had different goals in life, and I obviously couldn't stay friends with people who engage their lives into things like drinking and drugs and stuff. It's 2 very different lives. The best part about being pregnant is feeling him move around and kick. I love it. It's the best thing, feeling him roll around and stuff. Do you sleep much when you're pregnant? Yes, you sleep a lot more than you would not pregnant, but yes, it's harder. I wake up quite a lot during the night. Throughout pregnancy it's got a bit harder. What inspired you most to keep your baby even when you weren't in the best place? For people who don't know me or my life, I was very different before I felt pregnant. I involved my life with drinking, partying, and just not really looking after myself. So when I found out I was pregnant, I knew that it would help me help myself be the best me I could be for my baby. I just knew straight away. There was no second thoughts on keeping him or anything. Was your pregnancy planned though? But we definitely weren't doing much to not fall pregnant, and we weren't worried if I was to fall pregnant. What was your initial reaction when finding out you were pregnant with Bubba? Okay, I was in a public toilet and I was just so eager to take the second test a week later exactly, and when I took it I was by myself at a shopping centre, and I took it and it said positive, and I was just so happy. Actually, I did nearly cry, and then the first person I called was my mum, and she was really happy, and it was just happy? Like that question. How did Zach react? He actually, I wasn't even the person that told him. His mum was. She told him on the phone, and yeah, he was happy. He's never second thought it from day dot. He wanted this baby. He was ready to be a dad. Are you nervous to give birth? I get this question like a lot, and at the start I was always like no, but I'm starting to get a little bit nervous just because I've been starting to have Braxton Hicks. If you don't know what Braxton Hicks is, that is like a small contraction you start getting from like however long, everyone's different, and it's just small contractions pretty much preparing your body for labour. Since I started getting them, I've been a bit like iffy because I've had a few that are like really bad and I literally like sit there wanting to cry, but what can you do? Are you going to go natural or have epidural or pain relief? So my initial plan was to go natural and just have the gas that pretty much makes you high. How did pregnancy affect your lifestyle? It affected my whole life like so much, just because I went from a really unhealthy lifestyle to a very healthy lifestyle. Yeah, it's not easy to adapt to a new life, but it definitely was worth it, and I feel very good now that I did that. And honestly, I don't know what I'd be doing if I wasn't pregnant. Probably be dead or in jail or something, so I'm grateful. What are you most excited for with Bubs on the way? Like having that human there like all the time. I can't wait to be someone's like favorite human. Next question. Were there any other names you considered? I really wanted his name to be Malachi, but his dad insisted that it was Malik because he had too many family members whose name was Malachi. My next son's name is going to be Malachi. Has it been easier or harder than expected? Easier, way easier. I thought it'd be hard not having my mum in the state with me, and I thought it'd be hard not having Zach with me every day. You know, once you're actually healthy and in a good mindset, it's easy. What scares you the most about becoming a mum? I think just loving someone so much is a scary feeling because, you know, if anything was ever to happen to him or if anything has happened to me, it would obviously be a lot more intense now that there's a human there that is gonna need me. It's all pretty scary. So it is the next day, that's why my outfit's changed, but I was editing last night and I didn't like the ending very much. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. I'd just like to apologise for like me looking away a lot and like my editing might not be good, but yeah. It's my first video and I'm still trying to get used to it. Feel free to give me a message on what ideas you think I should do for my next video. Thanks for watching.